Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Joey B. August and I'm a digital media expert, and today I'm going to show you how to reverse your iTunes installation. Basically, uninstall it. So let's go ahead and hop onto the computer here. So I'm on my desktop here on my Mac. What I want to do first is take off my iTunes icon from the dock. So simply click and drag. Voila, it is gone. All right. And then we want to make sure that it's removed from our application folder, which is, let's go ahead and open up a new folder. I'm going to hit Apple N. Perfect. And let's go to our applications here. And let's focus on finding iTunes. Perfect, right here. So I'm going to right click and go down to Move to Trash. Boom. It's going to ask you if you want to do that by entering your password, just to confirm, to make sure you're not making a mistake. And then there's one last thing. You want to make sure you permanently remove the program from your operating system. So you want to empty out the trash bin, okay? So to do that, we go down to the trash bin here. I can click on it once and it'll open up a new window with the trash bin here, iTunes in the trash. And then we want to hit empty. Okay, and it's going to ask us, are you sure you want to permanently delete and erase the items in the trash? And then once you hit empty trash, it's going to do that. But also notice you can't undo this action. So you do want to make sure that you don't want iTunes on your computer anymore. I know for me, I actually do want to keep iTunes for now. So I'm going to hit cancel. But of course, in your case, you're going to hit empty trash can. But there you go. That's basically it, guys. So if you do have any other questions, please let us know, and thank you for watching.